Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Today we are going to solve a problem on specific speed of a centrifugal pump. But before that we will understand what is the concept of specific speed as well as model testing of a centrifugal pump. So we will move for the first point, that is the specific speed of a centrifugal pump, and notation is n to the base s. So here suffix s is used for the word specific. Now how we can define the specific speed? So it is the speed of geometrically similar pump which would deliver 1 meter cube per second of liquid against a head of 1 meter. So whenever we are talking about the pump having specific speed, it is having discharge Q is equal to 1 meter cube per second and head HM is equal to 1 meter. So what is the formula to calculate this? So Ns is equal to n under root of Q divided by Hm raised to 3 by 4. Now we will move for the second point. So second point is the model testing of a centrifugal pump. So why this testing is getting conducted? So it is used to predict the performance of the actual centrifugal pump, and this actual structure or actual centrifugal pump is known as prototype. So from this model testing, performance of prototypes predicted. So for the prediction of performance of prototypes, some basic condition that we have to satisfy. So now we will understand these conditions, but before that we will understand some relations. So here we will understand the relation of this discharge head and power with speed n and diameter d. So here I have made one table. So discharge Q and head is Hm and power is P. So now if we observe this n, so what is the relation? So this Q is directly proportional to n, head Hm is directly proportional to n square and power P is directly proportional to n cube. In the same way, what about the diameter d? So Q is directly proportional to d, Hm is directly proportional to d square and P is directly proportional to d cube. So this is the relation that we have to understand. Now we will move for the conditions. So for the similarity between model and prototype, following conditions should be satisfied. So here what is the first condition? So we will use here suffix m for model and suffix p for prototype. So here ns, that is the specific speed of model, which is equal to specific speed of prototype. Then second condition is under root of Hm by Dn of model, which is equal to under root of Hm by Dn of prototype. Then third is Q by d cube n of model, which is equal to Q by d cube n of prototype. Then fourth is P by d raised to 5 n cube for model, which is equal to P by d raised to 5 into n cube of prototype. So these conditions that we have to keep in mind while solving the problems on the model testing. Now we will move for the given problem on specific speed. Now first I will read what is the given problem. Find the number of pumps required to take water from a deep well under a total head of 89 meters. All the pumps are identical and are running at 800 rpm. The specific speed of each pump is given as 25 while the rated capacity of each pump is 0.16 meter cube per second. So this was the given question. Let us first understand the given data. Now if we observe total head is given 89 meter, then speed in rpm is given, so each pump is having speed of 800 rpm, then specific speed is 25, discharge Q is 0.16 meter cube per second, and we have to find out how many number of pumps are there. That is, we have to find out the value of n. So now if we observe here, the total head is given, but the head of each pump is not given. So how to calculate this? So here we will use the formula for the specific speed Ns. So here Ns is equal to n under root of q divided by hm raised to 3 by 4. So when I take here, or if I put the value of Ns, that is 25 is equal to n 800 under root of 0.16 divided by hm raised to 3 by 4. So if I solve this, I will get hm raised to 3 by 4 is equal to 12.8. So now I have to find out the value of hm. So how to calculate hm? So on both sides, if I multiply with 4 by 3, then here 4 by 3 into 3 by 4, that will be 1. So here hm raised to 1 is equal to 12.8 raised to 4 by 3. So with the help of calculator we have to solve. So in calculator we have to take 12 by 3 raised to. So in the bracket you can take here 4 divided by 3 and bracket complete, or you can simply take 12.8 raised to 4 by 3, that means 1.33 that we have to take, that is 12.8 raised to 1.33. Then we will get the answer 29.94 meter. So this is the value of hm. So what is the relation in between this hm and this total head? So hm is the head of the one pump. So total head is equal to number of pumps multiplied by hm. So if I put value 89 is equal to n multiplied by 29.94, therefore n is equal to 3. So these are the number of pumps. So we know that how we can connect these pumps when to produce the high head. So for producing the high head we have to connect the pumps in series. So answer is n is equal to 3 and pump should be connected in series.